Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Kemei professional hair clipper. This is available on Amazon for about $45. There's a coupon currently running on Amazon. Yeah, the reason why I bought this, it looked really good from the design and all the features. The problem, I didn't get any kind of answer regarding the length of the cutting, what possibilities we have, but I think there is like a handle here on the side where we can adjust the length. I even contacted the seller and I couldn't get any real good answer, but I'm just trying it out. I'll let you know how this works. Of course, this is not waterproof, and it has been really looking good on the pictures. Here we get some kind of description, seems to work worldwide, and you can use it corded or cordless. Blade adjustment, 2 speeds, professional cutting heads, nice display. Yeah, I mean, the thing itself looking good. Here's some description, so let's take it out of the box and see what we get and how this looks and definitely how it works. So here we are. Box was easy to open. Here we get some kind of cushion, which is always good for transportation. Then here instructions. I'm going to show you that really quickly as always. So here first 2 pages, next 2 pages, hope you can read everything. Yeah, sometimes people tend to lose the instructions, or they want to just have more information before they buy, or they buy used. Yeah, maybe not a not a hair clipper, but you never know. So you have it everything if you are interested into that. And here we have the thing. We get even a comb, and here's the thing that's really heavy. Yeah, I mean, it is definitely as it was looking. Yeah, really heavy stuff. Let's remove that. Here we have everything what we get. I mean, of course, that and the different hats, and the comb, the protection, and something for cleaning. And I'm trying to add this here. Yeah, something like this. I think we can do it like this and lift it up and push it at the same time. So this works really good. The question is then only what kind of cutting lengths we will have. I still don't have any information about that. So when we look at it from the sides, we can clearly see that the cutting length is the same which we have here from the plastic. And so I'm going to measure that for you so you can see this. This is the longest one. And I would say it's maybe 11 millimeters, maybe 12, or is it 13? Yeah. Let's try here. Here we see it. Yeah, it's maybe, yeah, I would say it's 11. This here is 11. That's the longest one. Maybe we get a little bit of a gap also here, but definitely not much, maybe one millimeter here for the cutting. So I doubt that it will be 13. I mean, 13, that was based on the website, between 1 millimeter and 13. Yeah, if you just want to use that with this one here, you get a little bit of a gap already here, but it's not much. You will definitely need some kind of hair pretty soon, but it surprises me to see here this length here between 1.5 and 6 millimeters. There are just 4 described. Maybe they added the longer 2 after that they made the instructions. But anyway, it won't be possible to get longer lengths than maybe 13 millimeters in total. That's definitely nothing for longer hair. It's really just for really short hair. One thing I think will be really important for you to know, even when you have the hats on, you can use this additionally, but actually it doesn't expand the length, because the length here is in this, like on this side, yeah, like this here, and it's not measured from this side. So even if you use this handle like this, it won't help you to increase the length. Yeah, here regarding the display, when we turn it on, you can see there's short time here visible, like I think it's the charge indicator and the oil warning. So when we have it long running, you will see this thing will go off, so you will see that it's not charging and it doesn't need oil at the moment. We turn it off, it stays for a while and then turns off, but definitely good to see that we got it 100% charged, so it looks like the battery is in good condition. Sometimes we get things which arrive with really low charging levels, and then you can assume that the battery is already in a bad condition. It seems not to be the case here. I do it again, so you can see these two indicators here. The one here is for the oil. Unfortunately, I haven't found any kind of oil inside. Usually when razors do need oil, usually you will get some kind of specific oil here. That seems not to be the case, but you can buy it everywhere, of course. What's also really important is that you don't have any sharp corners here. When you go really close to your skin, you want to avoid some cuts, and you can really turn it on and hold your finger here, and there is nothing, really nothing which is really sharp or something like that, and it should be a really comfortable cut. So I'm back after trying it, and I have to admit, yeah, it's really good. It works good. It has a strong, good cut, no problem with that. It works really good. What I really miss is something which has a little bit longer distance, like maybe 1 inch or so you can cut your hair yourself. So it does definitely work for a pro who is using the comb and then taking the hair and then using it like this. That will definitely work for yourself. Yeah, I don't know. If you have really short hair, really short hair, 13 millimeters or shorter, then it could be good as well. Whatever you do, again, it's not waterproof. Really stylish, really heavy, yeah, really super heavy. If you intend that to buy as a pro and you have to lift that the whole day, I don't know if you can get used to that. It's definitely really heavy. You have to be aware of that. So because it's so heavy, I wanted to let you know how much it really is. It looks like 375 grams, which is 0.827 pounds or 13.2 ounces. So overall, I would say definitely solid device, everything working. I mean, it's super stable, super solid. Looks like it will last for 100 years. Also these switches, everything, this is definitely built for decades and not for just months. That's the good thing. But anyway, it's heavy, but it cuts really good. Yeah, hats are limited. Will it be my favorite in the future? Yeah, maybe not so much because of the missing long cutter here, but yeah, it was actually visible on the listing. I just didn't check. But if it's good for you, if this is sufficient for you with these hats, I can definitely give you full recommendation, at least so far after first cutting, and I will put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out, order it right from there. I mean, at the moment, yeah, there's I think about 10% coupon there, and I hope I was able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about the things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.